Welcome back. In this video, we'll install WordPress on your computer using a free tool called Local by Flywheel, also known as Local WP. This method is 100% free, and you don't need to buy hosting or a domain name. Everything will run locally on your computer. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the website, localwp.com. Click on the Download button. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and enter your name and email. Then click Get It Now. Once the file is downloaded, open it to start the installation process. It's like installing any other app on your computer. When installation is done, open the local app. You'll see a clean dashboard with a button that says Create a new site. Click on that button. Now give your website a name. You can use anything, like My First Site or Practice Website. Then click Continue. On the next screen, choose Preferred Setup. This is the recommended option. Just click Continue. Now you'll set up your WordPress login details. Choose a username and password. Keep these simple. You'll need them in future. When ready, click Add Site. Local will take a few seconds to set everything up for you. Once it's done, you'll see your site in the list. Click Open Site to view your new WordPress site in your browser. To log into your site and start editing, click the WP Admin button. Enter the username and password you just created. Congratulations! You now have WordPress fully installed on your computer. In the next video, we'll install Elementor that will help us design a beautiful website without any coding. See you in the next video, where we turn this blank website into something amazing.